Tired of tedious manual rice transplanting, uneven seedling growth caused by centrifugal broadcast seeding, and ground planters getting stuck in paddy mud? This precision-ordered strip seeding module is fully compatible with all DJI agricultural drones, delivering an accurate, cost-saving and high-yield planting solution for large-scale farmlands. Compared with conventional rice transplanting and ground seeders, our strip seeding system drastically simplifies farming workflows. No seedling raising, transportation, or transplanting required. A single flight covers wide farmland and greatly cuts overall costs on labor, seeds, and fertilizers. Equipped with flexible metering rollers, it delivers dry seeds, germinated seeds, and pelleted seeds without any damage. Extended ground-hugging tubes counteract rotor downwash wind, keeping seeds evenly lined without drifting or stacking. Fully adjustable row spacing and seeding rates fit rice, wheat, and other field crops, maximizing efficiency during tight planting seasons. Against mainstream centrifugal broadcast spreaders, ordered strip seeding brings irreplaceable benefits for crop growth and field management. Centrifugal spreaders scatter seeds randomly with unbalanced density. Seedlings crowd and compete for water, fertilizer, and sunlight, which easily triggers diseases, weak seedlings, and large area lodging in maturity, directly reducing crop yields. Our module distributes seeds evenly in uniform strips, greatly improving ventilation and light transmission in fields. Seedlings grow strong tillers and interwoven root systems with outstanding lodging resistance. Neat rows facilitate later farm management, including pesticide spraying, top dressing, and water control, lowering disease risks and stabilizing final output. Quick-release integrated mounting design perfectly fits the full line of DJI Agricultural T-Series drones. Simple installation, ready to operate right out of the box. Beyond standard modules, we offer full custom development. We adjust hopper capacity, seeding width, metering structure, and control programs according to crop varieties, field sizes, and third-party UAV models owned by clients, catering to diverse farming demands worldwide. Suzhou Tiandi Helping Intelligent Technology is a professional supplier of intelligent UAV solutions. We specialize in high-altitude operation equipment, with a complete mature product portfolio covering building facade cleaning, PV panel cleaning, and precision agricultural seeding, fully compatible with DJI T-Series agricultural drones. All equipment undergoes rigorous all-weather simulated field testing before delivery. We provide exclusive custom development, one-stop global delivery, and full-cycle reliable after-sales support for clients across the globe. Upgrade your modern farming business with safer, more efficient, and smarter UAV seeding solutions. Contact us right now for a free quotation and exclusive customized seeding plan.